Ano po palang name niyo?
Mads po.
Boku no Hero or Gintama?
Kasi mas ano ako mas madami ako napanood na Boku no Hero. Pero I like Gintama. It's like wacky kasi it's like absurdist. And it's like, it's a breath of fresh air minsan kasi puro mga isekai na nga, puro shonen. It's like, I like it.
Okay, Gintama or Jujutsu Kaisen?
Jujutsu Kaisen,
Jujutsu Kaisen or Attack on Titan?
Attack on Titan, syempre kuya.
Attack on Titan or Full Metal Alchemist Brotherhood?
Syempre kay Edward ako. Full Metal.
Full Metal Alchemist Brotherhood or Code Geass?
Same pa rin, Full Metal.
Full Metal Alchemist Brotherhood or Naruto Shippuden?
I mean, Naruto kaya convoluted na kasi by the end So, Full Metal pa rin ako.
Bakit Full Metal yung napili?
Um, well, first of all kasi, I really like Edward. I mean, sorry na, first crush
Tsaka yung mga action story.
I really like the conflict din. Kasi, I mean, yung sa premise pa lang kasi about alchemy is just very intriguing naman. And the politics nga, and the
Yes.
nuance in the conflict. I'm like, boom, boom. Huwag mo na din paalala nung namatay.
Uh,
Namatay.